Meta AI Glasses 2025. The dawn of intelligent, augmented reality. Introduction. In the rapidly evolving world of technology, wearable augmented reality AR devices have become a frontier of innovation. Leading this charge is Meta Platforms Inc., formerly Facebook, whose Meta AI glasses have emerged as one of the most anticipated and discussed devices in 2025 as artificial intelligence AI merges with wearable AR hardware. Meta's new glasses represent a transformative leap in how humans interact with digital information, their environments, and each other. The Meta AI glasses point to O5 aren't merely an upgrade of the Ray-Ban stories or the earlier generations of AR glasses. They're a sophisticated blend of real-time AI assistance, contextual awareness, and seamless digital interaction embedded within a lightweight, fashionable frame. This essay explores the technological foundations, practical applications, social implications, and challenges associated with Meta's AI glasses. Technological foundations. 1. Hardware design and display technology. The 2025 Meta AI glasses feature a minimalist, lightweight design that closely resembles conventional eyewear, continuing Meta's collaboration with Ray-Ban. Despite their sleek exterior, the glasses are packed with advanced technology. They include high-resolution, micro-OLED displays embedded in each lens, providing an immersive AR experience with minimal visual intrusion. These displays can project contextual information directly into the user's field of view, adapting in brightness and transparency based on environmental lighting. The frame houses a powerful onboard processor optimized for edge AI computing. Multiple microphones. Miniature speakers near the temples for directional audio, and a discrete front-facing camera capable of capturing photos and videos in high definition. A touch-sensitive strip and voice command interface allow users to interact with the glasses fluidly, minimizing the need for a smartphone or external controller. The most defining feature of the Meta AI Glasses 2025 is its built-in generative AI assistant, powered by Meta's latest version of Llama large language model Meta AI. This assistant goes beyond simple voice commands. It offers real-time contextual understanding, computer vision-based object recognition, multilingual translation, and seamless integration with Meta's digital ecosystem. For instance, users can ask the assistant to identify buildings, Translate foreign text seen. Through the lenses. Generate summaries of articles in their view or recommend. Restaurants nearby based on past preferences and current mood.